Hey guys, Steve Welch here, Beeman Toyota in Nashville. I have a question that I'm going to answer for you guys, and it is one that I'm actually going to use a certified used Toyota 4Runner for this. So the reason I'm doing that is because I only have a used one that's got this feature. So the question is, and when you read the spec list of the 4Runner, you're going to see two options that will kind of look the same, but they're different. So one of them talks about the all-weather floor liners with cargo tray, and then the other one, you'll see one that says sliding cargo tray. They sound alike. They are very, very different. All right, so the main reason I'm making this video is because I wanted to show you what the cargo tray was, the sliding cargo tray, and how it worked. But the first thing I'm going to show you is what the other option is. So the one that says the all-weather floor liners with the cargo tray, it's actually going to look just like this, and this is your cargo tray. All right, so that's your cargo tray that would be on if you had the all-weather floor liners with the cargo tray. That's not what most people are thinking when they think cargo tray. Now, there's some people that don't want the cargo tray, and that's why they're asking the question. So this is actually your sliding cargo tray. All right, so I'm going to show you how you use it and a little bit of information about it. So first off, here you go. This right here is your unlock, is the easiest way to put it. You got two handles on either side, of course, but this is your unlock. So you pull this over, it'll be locked in there if you don't. Pull this over and hold it, and you can pull this out. All right, now the other thing you'll notice is you have different lock points. So it doesn't have to be all the way. You can go to there, or you can go to there. All right, so those are your two different lock points for your sliding cargo tray. The other thing a lot of people ask is, can it be removed? No, this track, it's meant to stay in there. Now, I guess if you're doing something crazy, maybe you could pull it out somehow, but as for being like remove and reinstall and kind of like take it out for now and put it back later, or something like that, no, there's not a way to do that for the sliding cargo tray. The other thing I wanted to show you is that up here you have a little area. This is only on ones that have the cargo tray, that you have this little area up front here that you can use, of course. And then there's two little spots that these things will actually go down into right here, and then they pop down. Also, when you have your cargo tray, you have Tiedowns on the front. Those are a little bit different than what they're normally. You've also got Tiedowns back here. Those are actually going to be very similar to what you normally have. But the other thing I want to show you is that this tray right here, as you're looking at it, you can see how far it sticks out. Kind of adjust here. This is how far it sticks out. That's as far as it goes. It doesn't come out any further than that. But I do want to show you something else that a lot of people ask. And I'm not sure if you can see that, but you should be able to if I put my shadow here. So right here, notice 440 pound, 200 kilogram max capacity. So you can put me on this thing and it will hold me. This thing is really sturdy, guys. All right, so there's no give to this at all. All right, and if you kind of look, you see I'm moving the whole car, moving the whole 4Runner with this thing, and I could sit on it. There's not an issue with doing that. So if you like the sliding cargo tray for whatever reason that you plan on using it, this is a cool option. I mean, like I said, there's reasons that there's options is because it doesn't always work for every person, but this is a great option for having the cargo tray. You also will notice, if you look down here, that you have some hooks that are right here. I mean, depending on what you're doing, most people will use this as a tie down. So if you're tying something that's on there, most people will use that as the tie down. You could also hang things like bags or stuff like that from there if you needed to. That's an option. I mean, whatever you're looking to do, it just kind of figure out what works for you. If you know what works for you, then obviously do that. But there's different ways that you can do certain things, and you can kind of adjust from there. But not to get long-winded, hopefully I've helped you guys to know what the difference between the sliding cargo tray, very easy in, very easy out, right? They've been around for a while. They're on the new 4runners, they're on the old 4runners. This body style has been around since 2011. I don't know if they offered the sliding cargo tray in 2011. I did not research that, but I know that the sliding cargo tray has been around for a while. This one's on an 18, so it's been around for a while. So there's no question that it could be on one that you're buying used. I've had people ask me if you can add a third row or take out the sliding cargo tray and add a third row. The answer to that is also no. So just realize that if it comes with a third row, it has a third row. If it comes with the cargo tray, it has a cargo tray. If it comes with neither, then it's not going to have anything. So other than just obviously your back row. So depending on what you want, make sure that you guys buy the vehicle that works best for you. If you're buying a used one, just know what you got. All right, so don't, there are a lot of people out there that don't know the answer, be like, oh yeah, you can change it. You can't. All right, so like I said, I don't doubt that somebody could probably get under there and figure out a way to remove it, but it's not going to be easy, and it's not meant for that. So hopefully I've helped you guys out. Once again, Steve Welch at Beaman Toyota in downtown Nashville. I sure do appreciate every one of you guys. Just let me know what we're looking for. I'm more than happy to help you guys. If you guys want to look at some new vehicles, look at some used vehicles, let me know. I'd love to be your salesperson down here in Nashville. Definitely reach out to me, store with any questions you have, like and comment. Comment if you guys want to know anything else that I might have missed, or that on some future videos that you guys would want. Steve Welch, Beaman Toyota, downtown Nashville. You guys have a great day.